And we're back. Alright, I want to get started. We're going to get into it. Shoulders, chest. Let's see if we have time for anything else. Alright, so many people don't know how to stretch their back. I think this is a great way to do it. You don't even need a PVC pipe really, but it's like a good it's like a helper. Alright. What you're doing is just going to get it loose. Okay, pull your shoulders back. Try and squeeze out your weaker arm, or arm that's not as flexible. For me, it's my right arm. You kind of want to just like pull that shoulder down. While you're doing this, you want to squeeze your chest and suck in your stomach too. I feel it in my tricep when I'm pulling down with my weaker side, or not as flexible, which is good. That means I'm stretching it out and getting pulled down more. Let me give you a back angle too, that'd be great. It's harder to do when you can't. I like doing it in a mirror just so I can see I'm pulling everything down. I don't have a mirror right now. Squeezing the chest, sucking in the stomach. Now when we get more advanced, what we're going to do, we're going to start lifting it off. While trying to still squeeze your chest and suck in the stomach. Woo! That's back. You always want to keep constant tension. So when I went back, I lost tension in the front part of my body. So just realize what's happening and just get more into it. Like as you notice yourself drifting out. Alright, next one. I can really feel it in my triceps right now. You want to feel it. I guess the higher up the arm, the better. Because that's really what we're working on. We're not really working on this part of the arm just yet. Mainly up in here. And right in here to the lat. Okay. Alright, you want to squeeze the chest. You want to try and pull it out. Keeping your chest taut, both your chest taut. Or, yeah. Don't get discouraged. This is really hard. Especially if you this is your first time doing it. Squeeze the chest, suck in the stomach. What I'm doing is I'm trying to pull this one down and pull this one up. Very important to pay attention to your feet as you're doing this too. So what are we working on right now? Chest, stomach, shoulders, back, and feet. Though it's not really focusing on the feet, you want to pay attention. You're going to feel your weaker side stronger side taking over. There was another one I wanted to do. Let's just go back to another side of this. Squeeze it in. And my feet. I just want to hold it at your max range. Feeling in my bicep. Okay, that takes a lot of work. Oh man, I forget what else I was gonna. Oh yeah. Let's focus on the chest right now. We're just squeezing it. Sucking the stomach, squeeze. Even like go forward, go back. Trying to keep your less flexible arm down. I'm throwing a lot at you. Stomach in. Let me show you without it too. Looks funny, like looks like you're trying to start a fight. You walk around like this. What's up? Now, you might not be able to go back this far and still have tension in your chest. So don't go back as far until you get more tension throughout. Whew! There you have it. Alright, to end it, let's focus on lungs. So, suck your stomach in. And just try and breathe normal. It's good to try and breathe against you pulling your stomach in. It makes exhaling a lot easier too when you have it sucked in. Focus on the feet. Then you can like take a deeper breath after you've done the exercise. Getting more air into your lungs. Keeps you level-headed. I thought there was another exercise. It was chest, shoulders, back. I think we did it all. I think we did it all. Alright. Check me out. You got it.